Hello, today we will learn how to add two 8-bit numbers using assembly language programming. Now we are going to use the 8051 microcontroller instruction set to write the program. To write a 8-bit addition program using assembly language programming, now we need a IDE to write and run it. In this case, we are using Keil microvision 5 software. You can download the software by keil.com site. Now, after installing the Keil software, follow the steps to perform the 8-bit addition. Open the software and click on the project option which is settled at the top of the window. Then it will show a pop-up like this. And then click on the new microvision project option. Then it will open and explore it to save it like. Create a new folder. Rename the folder, for example, addition. Open it and save the file name also. The folder name addition. With .asm. Save it. Then pop-up will come to select the device of microcontroller here. In this case, we are going to select the AT89S51 microcontroller to run the program. After selecting the microchip, click on OK option. AT89S51 is a microcontroller that designed by ATML. It is 8051 microcontroller. Then we'll get a dialog box with yes or no option. Click on no. We don't have need of that file, so that click on no. Now click on the plus icon of the target. We'll get a source group 1. Then right click on the source group 1 and click on the option called add new item to group source group 1 and enter the file name, add and close. Now we can see the file in source group 1. Then double click to this file. Now the ASM file open in the editor to type the program of 8-bit addition. Now select the flash option, select the configure flash tool, then open the new pop-up options for target 1. Now click the target option and change the crystal frequency 11.0592. Now click on the debug option and select the limit speed to real time box. Then click the OK button. Now we can type the program of 8-bit addition. After completing the code, click on the translate and build target option. Then you can see here in this box we are getting the output as 0 errors and 0 warnings. So now we can proceed to run the program by debugging. Click OK. Now we can see the register values are here. We can check how the values of the accumulator and B are changing. Now we can check the steps here one by one. A is 28. Next, B is 30H, and next A plus B is equal to 50H. Now we are getting a new accumulator value here. So now our 8-bit addition program is completed.